for kite, kite, kite. L is for lion, not a lion. I'm a lion, the lion. M is for monkey, monkey, monkey. N is for nest, the nest, a nest. O is for orange, 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 orange. P is for piano, piano, piano. Q is for quill, quill. R is for rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. S is for snowman, snowman. T is for tree, tree. U is for unicorn, 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 unicorn. V is for violin, violin, violin. W is for wardrobe, wardrobe. X is for xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yogurt, yogurt, yogurt. Z is for zoo, zoo. Now we've sung our ABCs. Fun is fun, let's sing them along. Letters and sounds in our song. Fun is fun, let's sing with glee. Learning letters joyfully.